guys, welcome back to the channel. Sitting out here on the back porch, perfect morning. It just got done raining. And I decided I haven't done a what sold video in a long time. Not because I haven't wanted to, it's because eBay's been slow for us. We've been focusing on other platforms and just been busy with everything going on. But this video, I wanted to do a little bit different than our previous what sold videos. I want to do the top 20 sales that we've had over the last maybe week or two. I can't remember how far back these ones go, but I wanted to do this video, show you the top 10 items that I think that these are items that I would probably pick up again. Majority of them, maybe 18 out of 20. But this should help you when you're outsourcing know what items actually sell. Most of these items sold pretty quickly. Most of these didn't sit around too long, maybe a select few, and I'll mention those as the video goes on. So I want to get into this real quick. Since all these items have already shipped, I'm going to show you the sold comps somewhere right over here. That's kind of why I'm leaving a little area over here. I don't want to block this right here, even though sometimes I should. With all that being said, let's get into this. First thing we sold, bowling shoes. We got these last year. I think we've only paid a quarter or 50 cents for a bowling ball bag, 2 pairs of shoes, 2 bags, and 2 bowling balls. We sold the balls on Facebook, and this is our last pair of bowling shoes. They sold for $13 plus shipping. These are something I will pick up in the future. Bowling shoes seem to really sell well for us, and I'm super happy with that. Also, bowling balls. Bowling balls do sell too, so anything bowling related, you might want to comp while you're outsourcing. The next thing we sold was this cordless phone lot. I'm almost positive, since I can't see the picture while I'm filming this, but I think it had 5 cordless phones with it. We've been getting $30 plus shipping for this. The thing about this one is, I feel like I could have probably got a little bit more, but I'm starting to realize that I want to move this stuff. If somebody makes me a reasonable offer on it and it's somewhere that I can make money, I'm going to accept the offer. So I took $30 plus shipping, and I'm happy with that. This next thing is something that pretty much I feel that everybody needs in their house. It is a scale. Now this one here that I'm showing you now is one of the first scales that we've had, and we used this one for many years, and it was really good. Now the downfall about this scale was it only went up into 5 pounds. So anything over 5 pounds, you were kind of out of luck. So once we upgraded with the current scale that we use, link down below, I didn't need this one, and it was sitting around, and I was like, what should I do with this? Guess what? We're selling it. $8.99 plus shipping. Super easy shipper. Wrapped it up in some bubble wrap, and I think this one might have shipped priority mail just because it was close to the weight. I don't remember. You'll see it up on the screen what I charged for shipping. This next sale was one that once I knew when I listed it, I knew it was going to sell pretty well. And I listed it, got a couple offers really quickly, but I held my ground. This was this Astronaut Photo. I actually ended up picking this up off of Whatnot for $6. Now, if you don't know, we used to collect autographs in the past. We used to go out and get stuff signed, turn around, sell it. So autographs for me was something that I've done in the past, and I know a lot about it. So I feel comfortable selling a lot of this stuff. Astronaut autographs are huge, and not just the big name astronauts. Some of the astronauts a lot of people don't know about, including this one, because I was unaware of this. If you find an astronaut autograph, always comp it. You can also get it certified by JSA, PSA, something like that. It would also help. Now, if I would have probably got this photo certified, we were probably talking 4 or 5 times what it went for. But I held my ground. It sold within 2 days for $101.89, I think. I can't read my writing. Or $101.99, somewhere right in there. You guys see this. You guys see the comp up on the screen. So astronaut photos are something to really look out for. The next thing is a puck lot. There's a lot of Pittsburgh Penguin pucks that I had just laying around, and they were guys who are not on the team anymore, who were training camp in the years prior, and I just wanted to lot them up and get rid of them because I knew listing these ones individually, they were not going to sell for what I wanted. So I threw them in a lot. I ended up getting $29.99 plus shipping, and these sold within 2 hours. Back-to-back autographs. Interesting. Maybe I should focus back to doing that instead of some of this other stuff. The next thing, this was something that we, hey, when in doubt, part it out. We parted out an Insta Pot that we had. We were gonna throw it away. I decided, you know what, let's take this thing apart and sell it piece by piece. Now, this was the Insta Pot power cord. We sold it for $6.99 plus shipping. Super happy with that one, and this is an easy shipper. The next thing, this was one of the last ones we had. We've probably had a stack of these for probably the last year and a half. This was a Haynes repair manual. We ended up getting $3.99 for it. We picked up a big stack of them for $3 and we sold through them. So super happy to finally see this last one go. This next one was an odd one. This was probably one of these items out of the 20 that I would not pick up again. Vintage pillowcases. $7 plus shipping. We probably lost in the grand scheme of things for this one was about 50 cents. So would I pick this one up again? Nope, not picking it up again. The next thing, Crayola colored pencils. I keep hearing somebody talk outside. You're probably wondering why I'm talking to this camera, but okay. Hey guys, if you made it this far already, please hit that thumbs up down below and also leave a comment. It helps out the channel so much when you guys comment and hit that thumbs up. Now back to the footage. Crayola colored pencils, $8.97 for 3 of them, which come out to about $2.99 each. Picked these up at Walmart for $1 a pack. Didn't make much, but we're still moving them. And like I said previous times, I am done with retail arbitrage at Walmart. The next thing, kind of ironic. It's another autographed item. Maybe this is a sign. WWE Mr. Kennedy signed photo. This was a limited number out of 100. We actually have 2 of these. $12.99 plus shipping. Super cool photo from one of the cool wrestlers from that era that while he was there. He has a following. His stuff does sell, and he's a really nice guy. This next thing came in an Amazon mystery box. These are party games, bachelorette, wedding party games. $1.50. Yeah, if these weren't in the box, I'm not picking these up. And I actually think I probably had about 5 more left. I threw them away. So that just tells you, don't pick them up. This next thing was actually a Dollar General buy. They had a big sale. I think it was right after Christmas last year on some toys. It was buy one, get one free. Picked up this Grover figure, $3.99 plus shipping. My kids kept a couple of these things because they are pretty cool, like 2 to 3 inch figures. Really neat. And yeah, I still got a couple more Elmos I think left, but I think this was the last Grover. This next one was a Chinese DVD. Doubt. What stinks was the buyer bought it. I thought I sold it, so I canceled it because I was out of stock. I felt bad, but I ended up finding it. So I relisted it, the buyer bought it, and everybody's happy. $4.99. This next one was something that my daughter found. It was a PanaView vintage reel slide viewer. I'm trying to figure out the word to use for this. $7.99. She paid, I think, $5 for it, but we realized after we got home it doesn't have the power cord. The person told me it actually worked, so probably got a deal on it. Maybe I could have got another $2 out of it, but super happy to see that one out of here. So the next thing was this Pittsburgh Paperweight. Super nice little paperweight. I've had this for many years. Somebody got it for me, and honestly, I just really had no use for it anymore. $6.51 plus shipping. I think we took an offer on this or we sent one. So somebody was really happy with it. I'm almost positive they already left feedback too. The next thing, this is something I'll pick up all the time. Nike golf shorts. Golf shorts sell, especially this time of year. I've had these ones a little bit because I kind of didn't list them when I should have, but now that they're listed, they sold. Super happy. $9 plus shipping, and those are easy shippers too. They're super light. They fit in a poly bag, and you can get them out that way. Okay, guys, 4 more items. Next thing, Shohei Itani all over print shirt. This was a giveaway in 2019 out in Los Angeles for Shohei Itani. If you don't know, Shohei Itani is a freak of nature in baseball right now. He's a pitcher. He's also a slugger. The guy's pitching, and he's also batting and crushing home runs. If you haven't seen him play, go pull up some videos on YouTube. This guy is amazing. But I found this shirt at Goodwill, I think for $1.99. I sold it for $38 free shipping, which I'm not sure how that happened because we never do free shipping. So. But still happy with that. Still cleared about $30 on that shirt. This next one up, this was a Whatnot purchase too. Bengals Tie Dye T-shirt. Was a 3XL. Really cool shirt. $22 plus shipping. This next one, you guys know I've had a ton of this in the past. Nail polish. This was a big bulk buy that I bought for about $3. I've been selling through it slowly. It goes in spurts. We sell a bunch, slows down, sells a bunch. Sold this one, $5.09, free shipping. We also have it set up, if you buy more than one of these, you do get a discount. So if you need nail polish, we have a bunch of cool shades that we have. So go check it out in our store and maybe you can find a shade that you need. And last but not least, this was something that I always pick up. These are a Sony cassette pack, a 3-pack of the mini cassettes. Picked this up recently for $1. Now we had this listed at $19.99. I feel that I took an offer because I just figured, hey, let's move it, let's get it out here. $16.24 plus shipping. This was one of those items I could have probably held out with and could have probably gotten the full asking price. But again, the market is only what the people are willing to pay. Now you can list stuff high all day, and if it doesn't sell, that means that I feel the market just changes daily too. But sometimes your asking price might not be in range of what the item actually worth. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this What Sold video. If you guys enjoyed it, smash that thumbs up down below. Also leave a comment. Until next time guys, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking guys. Bye.